guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to switch rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. This is quite an easy example. First, all we have to do is determine how do we actually switch columns and rows. Well, for this example, we have a table with two columns in it. If ever we want to switch the columns and rows, we want the months on top and the electricity bill on the bottom. To do so, all we have to do is select the whole data. Once we do so, go ahead and copy it. Once we copy the data, click on the destination for our new data. Once we do that, just right-click, go to Paste Special, and click on Transpose. Once we do so, just click on OK. And there we have it. We can observe that the month column became the first row in our new table, and the electricity bill became the second row. We would like to actually be able to produce a proper format for our new table. So do the necessary things you want to make it presentable. I personally want to place the text in the middle, so let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. I'll place the previous data for comparison. And there we have it. This is how we switch rows and columns in Microsoft Excel.